Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how we can convert text to path in your Inkscape documents and canvases in 2026. So let us get started. So enter your or access your document here on Inkscape, add a text by clicking into the text box or text tools on the left hand side. I have already done that. Enter your text here. I will go with this example text here. So what you want to do is select your text box with your left mouse. After that, navigate to path here at the top and use the uppermost option, which is object to path, or use the shortcut Shift Control C, alternately Shift Command C if you're using a Mac. So now your text has been converted into a path, but as you can see, we don't see any vectorizing effect yet. So to see that, you will need to access or switch from the select tool to the node tool here on the left hand side. And then you will see the selected object, in this case here this text box, as a path, so that you may click into any of these nodes here and position them to basically treat your text like a vector. You can, for example, use also these handles here to change the curving, and that way treat your text like a vector or a path and change its appearance. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.